In this video I will show you how to change the color of the background on your Corjl logo that you have purchased from my Etsy shop. So most of my logos have a black or white background, but you can change the color of the background, and let's see how you can do that. So here on the right side of your screen you have this top button, Edit Background. So click on it and you'll see this little square here, background color. Click on that, click on it, and you can change the color like this. You can choose any color you like, and I'll choose the white for this. Okay, so go to Save button here, and here it is. Here in the download option, you have the option to download your file as PDF, JPEG and PNG file. JPEG files have solid colored background, and PNG files can have transparent background. So let's see how to make this background transparent, so you can download your logo as PNG file and use it to watermark your photos, for example. So go to Edit Background again and check this field here, Transparent Background, and here on Save. So now when you download the file as PNG file, it will be downloaded as the PNG file with transparent background. In these previews you'll see it as white, of course, but once you download it you'll see that it's actually transparent. So go to Download PNG, and that's it. Now you have your logo downloaded with transparent background. Thanks for watching.